Legacy Migration Extension. Step 1. Using 2D IGES files. When importing data from legacy CAD systems, we can import the 3D models in many ways, such as step, direct translators, full feature migration methods, or simply reauthoring from scratch if you don't have a 3D model to start with. On the other hand, the 2D drawings can be imported by using IGES or DXF translations. Once imported, the models and drawings will originally be two separate unrelated objects in Creo. The Legacy Migration Extension is a tool and a process by which you can reassociate imported models and drawings such that changes made to the 3D models will update the associated 2D drawings. Having a CGM or a plot file from the original CAD system, we can use Creo View as the start and the end of this process. We can now see the drawing that we are about to convert, and later we can use Creo View MCAD or Creo View Professional to overlay our newly migrated drawing on top of our original plot or CGM file. First, I will import a drawing using, in this case, IGES. By leaving on the option to import with 2D view content, each view has a defined boundary and a scale applied to it. I will apply a DTL file to the drawing to assure that my tolerances will be displayed, my arrow sizes are correct, and that we are using an ISO as opposed to ANSI standard for dimensions. Now, I'm going to add a model to the drawing and add some solid views that look somewhat like the existing 2D views. First, I will place a front view. I will change the default scale of the drawing so that additional views will have the correct scale. Using projection views, I will add the next two views, and finally, I will add a detailed view. Once the orthographic views are complete, I will add two isometric views with a scale of their own. Once all of my solid views are added, I enter the Legacy Migration Extension. Using the Match View command, I simply pick one entity on the solid model view and the same corresponding entity on the 2D view, and the overlay takes place. I can repeat this process for each of the orthographic views. Now, I use the Orient View command to map the isometric views. Here, I choose two perpendicular non-planar edges on my solid model view and the same two perpendicular non-planar edges on my 2D view. This concludes the first step of the legacy migration process, which is importing a drawing and mapping views. If you are given a 2D DXF file to start with, please view the recording entitled Legacy Migration Extension Step 1 using 2D DXF files. Thank you.